Rose Petal and Coconut Oil Lip Balm. Benefits. This lip balm is designed to keep your lips soft and moisturized. Coconut oil is hydrating and nourishing, while beeswax creates a protective barrier. The addition of rose petals provides a subtle fragrance. Who it's good for. Ideal for those with dry or chapped lips, or anyone seeking a natural and fragrant lip balm. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 teaspoon beeswax pellets. A few fresh rose petals. Instructions. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the coconut oil and beeswax pellets together in short bursts, stirring in between until fully melted. Add a few fresh rose petals to the mixture for color and fragrance. Pour the mixture into a small lip balm container. Allow it to cool and solidify. Apply the rose-infused lip balm to keep your lips soft, moisturized, and fragrant.